welcome to my channel. I'm climbing the mountain here. Hope that you can love my videos. Every topic you are interested in can leave a comment below. Many people want to learn Chinese, but they don't know how to begin. Yes, that's really a problem for beginners. Even though today's studying resources on internet are very inclusive and comprehensive. Today, let's talk about how to learn Chinese properly. I think that it's useful for any language learning. So, if you decide to learn Chinese now, there are some things that you should know first. First of all, you should know your motivations and your respective results. I think most of people don't need to be professional translators or interpreters. So, learning foreign language is just a tool to communicate with others. So, if you can read some common Chinese characters or can just use some daily expressions, that's enough. We seldom use the poetry or difficult vocabulary in our daily life. But if your related occupation needs you to speak Chinese well, I think you should learn the Chinese language systematically. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, translating, every part is important. But whatever your motivation is, please believe the practice makes the perfect. That's a truth. Second, know the learning method you want to choose. Online studying or offline studying, self-study or learn from a teacher. What kind of teacher you want? What teaching style you like? Something like this. I know there are some videos that teaching the Mandarin. So choose the one that you like and select the right information you really want. Some abusive expressions don't learn. Meaningless. Number 3, time arrangement. Maybe some of you are very busy and don't have extra time or enough time to study a second language. But if you begin, I hope that you can insist. You know, any language learning needs to exercise every day. Number 4, you should know the general process of learning Chinese or the Mandarin. First of all, pinyin structure. Different with English, the Chinese characters are hieroglyphic. So if you don't know the pinyin structures, you can not read the Chinese characters properly because you even don't know how these characters pronounce. But when we learn English, it's not so necessary for us to start with learning the phonetic system, right? So that's the difference between the Chinese and the English. The second period is about that you should read and write the Chinese characters. Write. And the third period is the studying period. That's the most important. We know the HSK, right? Level 1 to level 6. So from level 1 to level 6, we will learn related vocabularies, grammars, or even the cultural differences. So choose the book you need from easy part to the hard part. And the last period is that you can communicate with Chinese, can understand the Chinese properly, and can communicate with others independently. So now, could you know how to learn Chinese properly and how to begin? Any topic you are interested in can leave a comment below. So today our video is coming to an end. See you next week. Bye bye.